Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so you don't chase phantom errors. First, make sure your adapter is enabled and connected. A disabled interface looks like a browser failure. Once connected, flush DNS with ipconfig/flushdns to remove stale records and explain why this matters. Edge relies on DNS to resolve sites. If the problem persists, change IP for DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 so you can rule out ISP name resolution issues before deeper troubleshooting. Next, you address browser-level and routing blockers that commonly cause the error. Disable any proxy because misconfigured proxies stop requests before they reach DNS. Once off, test connectivity. Then reset Edge to defaults to remove corrupted profiles or settings that interfere with page loading. Clear cache and cookies or open an in-private window to check if extensions or cached responses are the root cause. These steps isolate Edge from system-wide issues and often restore normal browsing quickly. Finally, repair the deeper network stack and hardware drivers that block connectivity. You should run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset to rebuild sockets and TCP/IP state, then reboot so changes take effect. Update or reinstall your network adapter driver because driver bugs can drop connections unpredictably. If Edge still reports, "Can't reach this page," try another device or a mobile hotspot to confirm whether the problem is local. If all else fails, one key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode with networking to rule out third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.